In this video, we will create a project from scratch in the Quartus Prime environment. So when you open Quartus, go to New Project Wizard, click Next, and then here choose your working directory. So I have a directory on the C drive called Labs, and under that, I'm going to create a subfolder for this particular project. For the name of the project, we're going to call it DE1_SOC. Next, and it's creating the subdirectory. It's an empty project. We are not adding files. And here in this step, we want to choose the board we are working with. So the family is Cyclone V. And to narrow down this long list, we're going to go here to Package, choose FPGA, pin count 896, and the core speed grade to 6. And here we only have 3 choices. This is the board we are working with. And then go to the Board tab, choose DE1 SOC board, and make sure that this option is checked. Create top-level design file, because you need this file when you program the board. Next, in simulation, we're going to choose Model Sim Altera and System Verilog. Next, and finish. Okay, we need to set some options for future use. So we're going to go to Assignments, Settings, and under Settings, we're going to go to the Compiler Settings, Advanced, and then scroll down to the State Machine Processing, and we want to change it from auto to user encoded for future use of finite state machines. Okay, apply, and OK. We also want to make sure that the path is set correctly to use the model sim. So we're going to go to Tools, Options, and then EDA tool options, and make sure that this path is as shown. If it's not, then you click here and go to where you installed the Quartus. So it should be under Intel FPGA _Lite, and then this is 17.0. Then go Model Sim _ASE. And click Win32 ALOEM and select this folder. And OK. And you're all set. You've created a skeleton project, which you can use in future labs by adding the source code to that project. So if you close Quartus and you want to reopen this project, here is the subfolder that we created. And you need to go to DE1_SOC.QPF. And when you double click, it opens the project that we just created, and you're ready to add your source code.